If you're new around here, I like to DIY as much as possible so I can save a buck and because it just tastes better. So we're making a pizza sauce today. Here's your ingredients, but I'm using the fire roasted diced tomatoes with garlic. The smooth edge can opener is the best for that very reason. Add it all to a tall cup because I'm going to be using an immersion blender today. This is the cup that came with my Flex Plus multi-prep set. That everything but the pizza seasoning is going to give the sauce the little kick that it needs. And my Flex Plus is actually cordless, so I can do this literally anywhere. But blend until you get the texture you want. Make sure you take a taste. You might need to adjust it just based on your preference. But there it is. It's nice and chunky, and I can store this in the fridge because it also came with a lid. Get ready for that recipe to screenshot. And then when you're ready, you can use this sauce on just about anything, but we're going to make a quick pizza. Look how nicely it smooths over the crust, and then it is just absolutely perfect. And you can use that everything but the pizza seasoning on top of the cheese as well. It turns out super nice. You got to give it a try.